capacity is 14 liters. But you see, I won't be filling it up that much. I would only, unless I have a large job. So I can fill this up for about 2 liters. And you see all the space it has in here? Let me just show you. It has a pocket right here. And it's big and deep. Then it has another pocket right here. It's deep. My hand fits all the way down there. And then this is where the tank is. So I can keep extra hoses in this one, then keep my battery and receiver in this one. Yeah, that'll work. Because you see, I can have it right here on my shoulder. Just have a quick connect down here. And I could quickly click it on and off, and switch hoses just as easy with the different sizes so I don't have too much excess. But it doesn't matter. I can have extra hose in here and then zipper it up and just only pull out what I need. That way the rest is not hanging all over the ground. At least it'll be inside the pack, the pack. So yeah, I got this all figured out. I'll see you in the next clip. Welcome to M.A.W Mondays. So I got the backpack and I went to Lowe's, and just so happens their in-house plumber was on vacation, right? So here I am staying there in the plumbing aisle for what seemed to be almost an hour. And partway through, someone else that's pretty good with that kind of stuff with connectors and stuff, he understood what I was trying to do, and we both were scratching our heads trying to figure out, because we were limited. That's not the best place for specialty connectors for certain little projects like that. I would have to order online. So what I did was I got a hose. Rather than try to get something that threads around it, I said, you know what, why don't we try and get something that sticks in it? So it just so happens that this was almost a snug fit. So I had to get some connectors and step it down a bit to tap into the reservoir line. So this is coming out the bottom of the backpack. It's following all the way up here, and I have it teed off. So this is the inlet. It's going to be sucking the water through here and shooting it out through there. But this tee is so that I can have it circulating. So as it's coming in and shooting out, it's coming back in. You feel me? So that should keep the motor lasting longer. Who gave me that little tip was Jeff. I didn't understand this is like Swahili to me, because I don't know nothing about when it comes to getting high tech like this stuff. So I had a mental picture of what he was trying to tell me. So when I actually got the part and tried to put it together, I understood the concept and what he was trying to tell me. This looked like gold, man. It looked like gold. It's beautiful. Trust me, that little sucker was expensive. But that's going to be for this part to go on, so it can connect to any brushes or squeegees. So we're going to hook this thing up. This holds 24 liters, as I was telling y'all. For those who missed that video, this holds up to, I think it holds up to 14 liters. But my little pump spray is like 2 liters, so that's more than enough. And I don't even fill that thing up every job. I fill it up like every 2 or 3 jobs. See, the problem with this is that you guys are going to run into. I'm going to tell you this now for those who thought about doing it this way. You have to switch sides, because I was hanging this on my gunslinger. I was tearing my lower back up, man, with this sucker fill. So I started filling it up about here now. And I could get probably about 2, maybe 3 small jobs that way. Because like I said, all the way filled with that tool and that concept, I can clean over 300 windows. So, you know, that's not even my route work sometimes in a day. So having that on your back, you won't be tearing up one lower part of your back or upper part of your back. Obviously, I'm not going to be filling that up to the capacity of 14 liters every time, but just, you know, 2, maybe 3 liters at the most to last me through the whole day, you know, and whatever I don't use, I just use for tomorrow. So I started hanging this on the left side. Since I wasn't putting 2 gunslingers on because I need to maneuver around obstacles, I just hung it on my my pocket. You see how I had my rag? I just slid it in there like that. You know, that'll kind of balance out so I'm not walking lopsided like I need a V8 or something. You know, tomato juice, you know that commercial V8? You're walking lopsided. He needs a V8. But let's fill this up. Let's see what's crack-a-lacking. No problem. I thought I was doing it right, but it was a big puddle of water inside this bag, man. That hose wasn't hooked up to the bladder, and I'm like, well, where the hell is the leak coming from? So now that I see water inside the line, it's finally going to get in there. So let's hook this pump up. Still have yet to get the transmitter and the battery, but let's see if it comes out of there. Cross my fingers. Woo! Look at that. Yeah, doggy. Hot dog. There you have it. Stay tuned for the second and third part of this. It's coming together nicely, fellas. It's coming together nicely.